I bought a pickup truck today and it doesn't have air conditioning, so I decided to make an air conditioner. I went to HEB and got this cooler for $12.50 and this fan for $5. I already had that tape and the solo cups and the styrofoam there. Uh, so I made the vent out with the styrofoam cup and the plastic cup, and I've got a little bit of metal off of a old tinfoil pan. This is HVAC quality duct tape. We got it for HVAC system previously. On the inside here, I just so happened to have gotten an edible arrangement yesterday. So that's what this insulated bag is. I slid inside here, and then I already had these ice packs, but those you can get those pretty much anywhere. They're probably about $5 to $8 a piece. Um, so we've got the double insulation, the ice packs. I'm going to see, there's the bottom of the pipe there. I'm gonna put that on. This fan has a USB plug. Currently have it plugged into my laptop, but you see, as soon as you turn the fan on, the air starts coming out of here, which obviously you can't see air. Okay, so now we can see the difference. It's off. I've added some strings. You can see they're not moving. Air's on. And it's immediately much cooler air. I can't wait to get it in the truck and see how it feels.